everybody, it's Dawn Lozano here, and we are switching it up. Instead of doing some grilling tips, we're going to do a yummy keto recipe. And the reason we're doing that is that my husband and I have been doing keto for the last couple of months. We're down a few pounds. We're still working on it, but sometimes you just need some good comfort food. And this is what this recipe is. It's called cheesy jalapeno chicken, and it's a 1 skillet deal, and you can put it over cauliflower rice and serve it with a salad. Or if you are not doing keto and you just like this recipe, you can also put it over regular rice, and your family will enjoy it. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to dredge our chicken. I've just got out some of the seasonings that I have already measured into my bowl. I will have the recipe at the end of the video, so stay tuned. But I'm dredging, and I'm just going to put it into some olive oil on the stove. First piece, and I've got about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my skillet, and we're just going to brown the chicken to start this recipe. I had really fat pieces of chicken breast, so I split them so that they would cook a little bit better. And let's face it, there's some giant chicken out there right now, so nobody needs that much. So here we go. We're just going to let them brown, and then I'll turn it here in about 2 minutes. See you in a minute. We'll let these brown 2 minutes on each side. And I'm going to take them off and just let them rest for a minute, and then I'm going to start adding all the other ingredients. So I've got some chopped butter, first of all, and chopped onion and jalapeno. Put that butter in, and then I'm just going to saute. We're going to let these melt down. It's going to take about 4 or 5 minutes. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'll see y'all in a minute. I did go ahead and put some garlic, and I put 4 ounces of cream cheese in here, so we're melting that. And now I'm ready to add heavy whipping cream. No, that doesn't sound dietetic, does it? But on the keto diet, it's what you use. It's crazy, huh? Putting a cup of that in, and then I'm going to use 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock. So and as soon as that cream cheese melts down, I'm going to put the chicken back in and let it simmer until it's all cooked, and we'll see you when it's done. I've got 2 cups of cheddar jack here. I'm going to put it in the skillet and let it melt. Oh my gosh, that does not look dietetic, but on the keto diet, which uses fats to work with your fats, and it does work some weird way. But this is our final product, and I'll show you what it looks like here when we get it plated up with the cauliflower rice. But it looks pretty decadent and yummy. Thanks for watching. Cauliflower rice topped with some yummy chicken. We're going to have it with a side salad, but there you go. Looks pretty good.